The Secrets of Success Affiliate Program Income Tutorial. In today's video, I talk to you about how money loves speed and about my invitation extended to you about joining me and partnering in the Secrets of Success Affiliate Program produced by Russell Brunson and his partner Justin Benton. If this is your first time visiting, then I highly recommend that you look at my other videos recorded where I take you through the 4 M's framework for marketing and promoting the Secrets of Success program. Coming up in a moment, so stay watching, I'll introduce you to tools and resources that are given as free bonuses valued at over $12,000 to help you massively increase the velocity of your money and help you promote and market the Secrets of Success affiliate program. Hi, my name is George, and in today's video, I talk to you about the 3 features of money that's not often talked about and what it means for you. Now, Nikola Tesla, the famous great scientist and inventor, stated about our universe that everything in our universe is energy, vibration, and frequency. So logically, we can conclude that money is energy, money is vibration, and money is frequency. Therefore, in order to vibrate at a frequency that attracts money, we then have to apply energy to our attraction set point for money. My view is that money is a form of energy that allows us to have options to provide for our mind, body, and spirit. The energetics of money, therefore, comes from inside of you, not from outside of you. This is created by the power of our thoughts, emotions, and intentions that affect matter all around us. And this gives rise to the philosophical saying, as above, so below, as within, so without, as a soul, so the universe. Success with money is attracted by the person you become. So we have to make ourselves become attractive or magnets to money. And how do we become attractive? We simply develop our soft skills, and we have to do the work from the inside. By developing our skills, we become valuable in the eyes of our family, in the eyes of our employers, colleagues, peers, our community, and we make ourselves valuable to our country. Take, for example, the desire to become a millionaire. We work on our thoughts that have millionaire vibrational frequencies. We must do the inner work or work harder on ourselves first before we experience the energy of a millionaire. And this is how I develop a multi-million-dollar net worth. And there's absolutely no reason from stopping you achieving the same result. And this is the incredible benefit of the Secrets of Success Mastermind with Russell Brunson, who's a multi-millionaire, that gives you connection, confidence, and courage to engage with like-minded individuals collectively looking to expand, to grow, and increase the velocity of their thoughts around not just the velocity of money and wealth, but also naturally with health and relationships. The free bonuses given today are there to fuel your transformation in your business, your clients, and inspire you to make an impact on the world and shift your consciousness into a state of flow. And flow means focused love of wisdom, focused love of wealth, focused love of well-being, focused love of willpower, and focused love of wholeness. So what makes the difference between those that succeed and those that do not achieve? For those that don't achieve, it's clear. The simple thing is that they don't have a philosophy of success. They don't have intelligent plans of action, organized thought that allows them to move in the direction of any goals or in the direction of what they want. They simply drift. The answer to this is to join a successful mastermind group, none other than the Secrets of Success affiliate program, with Russell Brunson and Justin Benton. The sole purpose of bringing people together in a movement of highly intelligent and highly motivated people that are engaged and want to move and achieve their hopes, dreams, and desires. You begin to learn the language of light, of forethought, higher consciousness thoughts from a number of forethought leaders in the personal development field. It's exciting to be around such people so that we can move in the direction of our goals and dreams and desires. So effectively, you become an emissary of light, a luminary of this light, this knowledge and wisdom that you share with all of your people, your inner circle, and with the rest of the world. You essentially light the way for people who are experiencing a period of darkness and where they lack any clarity, confidence, or any certainty about the direction or how to achieve their goals. And the beauty of this, you get to be compensated by the wonderful income two-tier program. You get 40% commission of all of the memberships that you recruit, so long as the members that you recruit remain a member. You will also receive a 10% commission on all of the sales revenue generated from the recruits that your ambassadors and luminaries or emissaries of light recruit to their inner circle. Now that allows me to talk about the bonuses. The bonuses are there to help you succeed and increase the velocity of your income, and it's a promise to help you secure the success for 2024 and beyond. So as an incentive to join with and partner with me and my excellent marketing partner Paul Murphy, I want you to succeed with these excellent bonuses. These bonuses will help you achieve that success. Now, Paul is absolutely phenomenal in the online marketing space, having propelled business owners, entrepreneurs, consultants and coaches to stellar profits using this system, the groundbreaking 24-hour ranking system, generating traffic through highly targeted keywords that enable success, and importantly, you're setting up the game to win through no paid advertising. And as we can see and unpack this, we've got the 12K bonus package, which includes the 24-hour ranking system, unlimited private weekly coaching, and extra bonuses, plus the 4-day Google ranking challenge. All is for free. So let's just have a look through in detail, just briefly. You've got free ads for years by implementing the system, putting your ads on Google in the positions of 1 to 4 on the front page, using a 5-step formula that could help generate at least 1K per day. And what's exciting is you don't have to have a big budget, zero budget, with no upfront costs required. So you can start generating instantly. Now, just to move through the program, as already stated, unlimited weekly coaching, where you not only have weekly coaching, but monthly coaching. Paul is giving you a breakdown of the systems and processes that you get in place so that you can have a set and forget online targeted traffic generating system without the stresses, because you've got these systems in place. And also in the monthly calls, he will update with any new strategies for YouTube and Google and what changes are required. If you want to have immediate results, then you've got the 4-day Google ranking challenge, where you can get instant results within 24 hours. And if you've got questions, you can always have those answered for you, either through Kevin or Paul on the live calls weekly. So what help do you need with promoting the Secrets of Success affiliate program and increasing the velocity of your income? Leave your answers below in the comments section. If you found this video helpful and useful, then please smash the like button and don't forget to hit the notifications bell to be kept up to date with any new and latest releases, and subscribe to the channel. Alright, it's time to take action and embrace the Secrets of Success program. So click the link below and sign up now. Commit to joining the mastermind of high-powered individuals and transform your earnings and receive these awesome bonuses now. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next video. Until then, stay in the flow until your business grows and your cash flows. Let's succeed together, because together is better.